Students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking, why to subscribe my channel School Studies? In this channel, you will get daily one video related to different topic and subject. Subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today in this video we will see a video related to science subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 8 science chapter 1. The chapter 1 is crop production and management. So let's see chapter. So before starting with the exercise solution, let's do the summary of the chapter. In order to provide food to our growing population, we need to adopt certain agricultural practices. Some kind of plants grown and cultivated at place constitute a crop. In India, crops can be broadly characterized into two types based on seasons, that is, Rabi and Kharif crops. It is necessary to prepare soil by tilling and leveling. Plough and levelers are used for this purpose. Sowing of seeds at appropriate depths and distances gives good yield. Good variety of seeds are sown after selection of healthy seeds. Sowing is done by seed drills. Soil needs replenishment and enrichment through the use of organic manure and fertilizers. Use of chemical fertilizers has increased tremendously with the introduction of new crop varieties. Supply of water to crops at appropriate interval is called irrigation. Weeding involves removal of unwanted and uncultivated plants called weeds. Harvesting is the cutting of the mature crop manually or by machines. Separation of grains from the chaff is called threshing. Proper storage of grain is necessary to protect them from pests and microorganisms. Food is also obtained from animals for which animals are reared. This is called animal husbandry. Now let's do the solution of textbook exercise. The first question is, select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blank. The words are float, water, crop, nutrients and preparation. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called crop. The first step before growing crops is dash of the soil. Preparation. Damaged seeds will dash on top of water. Float. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and dash from the soil are essential. Water and nutrients. Question 2. Match the items in column A with those in column B. So these are the items of column A and column B. We have to match them. So let's see the answer. So Kharif crop is paddy and maize. Rabi crop is wheat, gram and peas. Chemical fertilizers are urea and superphosphate. Organic manure, animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. The next question is, give two examples of each. Kharif crop, so paddy and maize. Rabi crop, wheat and gram. Fourth question, write a paragraph in your own words on which of the following. So preparation of soil. It is necessary to prepare soil before growing a crop. It involves tilling and loosening of the soil. This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allows the roots to breathe easily even when they are deep. The process of loosening and tilling of the soil is called tilling or plowing. This is done by using of a plow. The second question is sowing. Sowing is the process of putting seeds in the soil. The tool used traditionally by sowing seed is shaped like funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. Nowadays, a seed drill is used for sowing with the help of a tractor. These tools sow the seeds uniformly at a proper distance and depth. Next is weeding. The undesirable plants grown along with the crops are called weeds. The removal of weeds is called weeding. Weeding is necessary since weeds compete with the plants for water, nutrients, space, and light, thus affecting the growth of the crop. Next is threshing. The process of separating the grain seeds from the chaff is called threshing. Traditionally, it is done by viewing. Nowadays, this is carried out by the help of machine called combine, which is a combination of harvesters and thresher. The fifth question is explain how fertilizers are different from manure. So the difference between fertilizers and manure are fertilizers are chemicals which are rich in a particular nutrient like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Manures are decomposed organic matter obtained from plant or animal wastes. Excessive use of fertilizer destroys soil fertility. The use of manure improves soil texture as well as its water holding capacity. Next question is, what is irrigation? Describe 2 methods of irrigation which conserve water. So irrigation. Supply of water to crops at appropriate intervals is called irrigation. 2 methods which help us to use water economically are sprinkle system. This system is more useful on the uneven land where water is available in smaller quantity. The perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on the top are joined to the main pipe at regular intervals. When the water is allowed to flow through the main pipe with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. It is sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Sprinklers is very useful for the sandy soil. Drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop just at the position of the roots. So it is called drip system. It is the best technique of watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. This system consists of a main pipe to which lateral pipes are joined. The specially prepared nozzles are attached to these lateral pipes. The nozzles are grounded just near the roots of the plants. It provides water to plants drop by drop. Water is not wasted at all, so it is a boon in regions where availability of water is poor. The next question is, if wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what will happen? Discuss. The best season for wheat crop is from November to December to March to April. If it is sown in the Kharif season, its production will be decreased considerably. Next, explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of crops in a field. Since crops takes up nutrients from soil, continuous growing of crops makes the soil poorer in certain nutrients. The soil becomes infertile. It does not get enough time to repulse the nutrients. The next question is, what are weeds? How can we control them? In a field, many other undesirable or unwanted plants may grow naturally along with crops. These plants are called weeds. We can adopt many ways to remove weeds and control their growth. Tilling before sowing of crops helps in uprooting and killing of weeds, which may then dry up and get mixed with the soil. The best time for the removal of weeds is before they produced flowers and seeds. The manual removal includes physical removal of weeds by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground from time to time. This is done with the help of curip or a harrow. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides like 2,4-D. These are sprayed in the fields to kill the weeds. They do not damage the crops. The weedicides are diluted with water to the extent required and sprayed in the field with a sprayer. The next question is, arrange the following box in proper order to make a flow chart of sugarcane crop production. So this is the proper order of a sugarcane crop production. Next question is, complete the following word puzzle with the help of clues below. So these are the clues: down and cross, and this is the puzzle. Providing water to the crop, irrigation. This is irrigation. Keeping crops grain for a long time under a proper condition, storage. Certain plants of the same kind grown on a large scale, crop. A machine used for cutting the matured crop, harvester. A rabi crop, that is also one of the pulses, that is gram. A process of separating this grain from chaff is winnowing. So this was all about the textbook exercise solution of NCERT. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in a comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.